Hello my dear adventurers and welcome back to Ziggy Ventures. Today we are going to Athirappilly Falls, which is I think the biggest waterfall in Kerala. Might be one of the biggest ones in India as well. Yesterday we missed it. We thought it was going to be raining, but it was really nice weather, so today we are just going with the flow. If it rains, it rains. If it doesn't, it doesn't, but we still want to go there. And today we are also going to Athirapilly. So gonna be a nice journey, both with the luggages. I'm gonna try to get a scooter or two scooters, depending if they're gonna allow that and go without license. Right, I'm just putting the bags right now at this lovely cloakroom so we wouldn't have to take all these massive things with us. So the ladies at the cloakroom, they were saying that the best thing to do is to either get a cab over there, but it's like 1,500 they said. I think it's one way only. What I want to do is I want to try and see if we can get a tuk-tuk driver that would get us there for a reasonable price, wait for us for like 2 hours, let's say, and then take us back. So let's see what we can find.
You'll do 1.5 to wait and return.
1.5 to wait and return. Could we do 1,000?
There and back.
It's only drop
To Forth and back.
Forth and back.
Forth and back.
Forth and back to 2,000.
So we are trying a lottery with this lovely man. If I win, that's going to be 1,000. If he wins, that's going to be 1,200. Okay? We do rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I win. Nah, I win, brother. 1,000, yes?
He's a
1,000?
He's a pilot.
Yeah. Thank you very much. Our pilot. What's your name?
Subhash.
Subhash. Ziggy. Nice to meet you. Let's go. We are finally at the top. Our tuk-tuk driver is going to wait for us for a few hours, I think. That's what we agreed on. And now we're going to go get tickets from over there and go look at the waterfall. But there is a lot of people going over there. Just sitting on a branch, doing his thing, nipping on the nuts or whatever he has in his hands. Hello, monkey man. Wanna say hello? Hello. So guys, we have arrived at our prime location. Now just going down the hill to look at the amazing view that you're just gonna see in just a few moments. Because of all the rain that has been pouring down for the past these days, I thought that the waterfall is going to be way stronger, but unfortunately it's not. It's still really beautiful. Right, we just asked the security if we can go and have a little dip in this beautiful place, and he said no. That's what was expected. Let's go this rocky terrain down the falls. It really looks beautiful. like people are saying that it's like a Niagara Falls of India. I would love to believe that, but yeah, it doesn't seem as strong as in the other photos or like other reviews, even though it rained so much as well these past weeks. Here's a little fun fact while we are walking back up to the main road. Apparently King Charles has celebrated his birthday over here as well. See, it is quite famous. Quite famous, Niagara. I think I like this one more than the Athirapilly. This one is called something Barzali. I'll write it at the bottom somewhere. We asked our lovely tuk-tuk driver to drop us off at the other waterfall because we wanted to see a little bit more of this lovely nature. And here we have some monkeys and a very, very beautiful waterfall. Angry monkey, angry monkey. No, he's here. He's hanging. Spider-Man, spider monkey. I think this is the only wildlife that we're going to be able to see today. Bunch of monkeys looking for ticks, looking after each other. So that's going to be it for the falls. We're going to go back down. I'm going to try to catch a bus to Kochi or a train. And then from there, gotta go to Aleppo. So as soon as we finished looking at the third waterfall, we barely managed to make to the tuk-tuk and it started pouring down so heavily.
Show it in a cloud.
Huh?
Pretty sure it in a cloud.
Yeah, could be. What a beautiful young man. What a beautiful young man.
The only things I would say.
Angry monkey. What? Don't throw at him. Why did you throw at them? Why?
He literally was like growling at me.
Yeah, he was there.
How am I supposed to buy this?
Oh. So Dan just literally got attacked by a monkey. And his first defensive mechanism was to throw a bag at them instead of shooing them away. So now he's buying another bag. Dumbass. The rain has stopped and we are happily going back to the station. Okay, so we got to the bus stop. We are not sure if this is going to be the correct bus stop, but hopefully it is. On the maps it shows, on the red bus app it shows like it's over here. It's just that we're missing the bus. So hopefully it's going to be right over here. So we did get on the correct bus. We were just in the wrong spot actually, so we had to walk up a little bit, but we did get to our hostel finally. after like 3.5 hours of journey. I don't think we're gonna do anything today apart from going to eat something, so I'm just gonna sign out over here right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for coming with me to the waterfalls, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. And if you want something different, always leave feedback. Okay, stay adventurous.